In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age using date of birth in Microsoft Excel. This is a quick and practical Excel tip that can save you time, especially if you're working with employee records, student lists, customer information, or any spreadsheet that includes birth dates. Instead of calculating ages manually, Excel can do the work for you with a simple formula. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the cell that contains the date of birth you want to use. Then, click on the empty cell where you want the age to appear. This is where Excel will display the result. Now, type the following formula, equals dated EF, then open a parenthesis. After that, select the cell that contains the birth date or type that cell reference manually. Next, type a comma, then enter today with open and close parentheses. Add another comma, then type quotation mark Y, quotation mark, and finally close the parenthesis. Once entered correctly, the formula should compare the birth date to today's date and return the number of complete years between the two dates. In other words, it gives you the person's current age in whole years. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the age for you. What makes this especially useful is that the today function updates automatically. That means the age will stay current as time passes without needing to be manually updated each year. It's a simple way to keep your spreadsheet accurate over time. One important thing to keep in mind is that the birth date cell should be formatted as a real date in Excel, not plain text. If the formula doesn't return the expected result, the first thing to check is whether Excel recognizes the date correctly. You can usually confirm that by clicking the birth date cell and looking at the format in the toolbar or formula bar. Also, using quotation mark Y quotation mark in the formula tells Excel to return only full years. That's why this method works well for age calculations, since age is usually measured in completed years rather than months or days, and that's all there is to it. With just one formula, you can calculate age from a date of birth quickly and accurately in Microsoft Excel.